What if your $1 million investment could build affordable housing while still earning competitive returns? Australia just made this possible through a groundbreaking financial instrument. Westpac has launched Australia's first social tailored deposit, revolutionized how institutional funds can generate both financial and social dividends. These investment commitments of 1 million with term ranging from 1 to 5 years is specifically designed for organizations seeking measurable impact alongside return. The mechanics are straightforward yet transformative. Funds get strategically directed toward essential services, affordable housing developments, and socio-economic advancement initiatives. What sets this apart is its adherence to rigorous International Capital Market Association standards, ensuring transparency and verified outcomes. The market response has been immediate and significant. Major institution pioneers, including the City of Sydney, University of Sydney, and La Trobe University, have already allocated funds, signaling a pivotal shift in Treasury management priorities. This innovation builds upon Westpac proven track records with environmentally focused investments. The Green Taylor deposit, launched in 2018, has successfully mobilized 2 billion from over 100 investors toward renewable energy and low carbon infrastructure projects. For institutional decision makers managing significant capital reserves, this development represents the next evolution in responsibility finance. Investment that deliver measurable community benefits while maintaining fiscal responsibility. For unique Gen X and Gen Z perspective on this financial innovation and other markets moving developments, subscribe for free at redmancarry.com, where economic analysis meets generational insight.